About to have us a pull off out here. Trying to find something to hook to. Alright. Polaris 500 against the Arctic Cat 650. Meow. Alright, that's halfway. Alright, on my mark. Watch my hand fall. On three, it's going to fall. 1, 2, 3. Ain't no one going nowhere. They're digging them big ass holes. Hey, hold on, Randy. Here's a minute. Let some water get up in there and it'll quit and you'll be able to drag him. Uh-oh. 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 Uh-oh, they won't start. They won't start. Uh-oh. They got it burned now. Well, I declare that a draw.